Across the world, an estimated 1 billion people will go hungry and remain malnourished today. However, solutions are possible. Eco India, an affiliate of Eco Cooperation, strives towards securing sustainable livelihoods and justice and dignity for all. Its program on food and nutrition security for poor and marginalized communities aims towards achieving this end. Access to safe drinking water and sanitation are key to tackle the wider problems of food and nutrition security. ECO's work focuses on access of safe drinking water to the poor and marginalized in rural communities. While most cities in Odisha have not been able to rebuild their water supply systems even a month after the devastating cyclone Phylin, people of one village, Luna Mundi, have 24/7 supply of safe drinking water. This made possible by a solar-powered water pumping unit in the village provided by ECO. Across the state, another ECO project provides a gravity-fed water supply system, giving the villagers of Nuasahi 24/7 piped water. By creating water recharging structures, the villagers have year-round water. The overflow used to water newly developed eco-supported kitchen gardens and cashew gardens. This way, villagers get additional nutrients as well as income. ECO's model requires 100% buy-in from the entire village community. Each family is part of an organized self-help group, pays a monthly maintenance charge for the upkeep of the water supply system, and each family also has to invest in building a toilet. Anjana Jani shares how things have changed for her family now.
आमर लुणगुंडी रे रोग व्याधि आमर मलेरिया अंश अधिक होता पिला मानक भी आमर मलेरिया हेबा पूर्व आमर नेबा को मेडिकल कौन सुविधा नथिला आमती बहुत सुविधा है एबे आमर देह स्वास्थ्य कम हो जाए झाड़ा बांती एबे भी आमको कम अच्छी आम भलरे रही पारचु.
ECO's food and nutrition security program works with multiple stakeholders on a multitude of issues like ensuring rights and ownership of resources for marginalized communities, focus of nutrition on women and children. Agricultural growth is crucial for India's economic development and food security. ECO works towards sustainably increasing production for a better income and improved nutrition, diversifying local production, and facilitates marketing of products. 15 years ago, the fields of Nathuramji Gujar of Ladana village in Rajasthan were dry and barren. Today, Nathuramji has 8 buffaloes, cultivates up to 3 crops a year, and is able to provide green fodder for his animals. This, in turn, gives him a stable income for his family as well as milk for his children.
एनीकट बनने के बाद तुम्हारा बहुत बदलाव आ गया और एनीकट से पहले तो यहाँ तो नहीं तो पैसू था पशु कहीं भी कौन सा डंडोर कहीं कौन सा बकरी भी तो कौन सी और पानी है भूरा पानी है बिल्कुल कड़ा तो इनमें चारा भी नहीं उगता. और जी साहब बच्चों के बीमारी पेट में दस्त और ये कोई जोड़ा में खराबी ये तो मतलब मगा बुजुर्ग था एनीकट बदले बाद अब मैं खुद सावधान लगा ठीक भी होगा.
ECO also provides support to supplement early childhood nutrition by supporting Anganwadis through its partners. The women in rural communities are also educated on health and nutrition aspects. The Government of India's Public Distribution System PDS is a long-standing policy program to meet the minimum nutrition requirement for those who face extreme poverty and hunger. Although the government spends approximately $13.6 billion or 1% of its GDP on the PDS, the system has many loopholes. In Gondi village, Jaipur, Rajasthan, ECO's partner has organized people to form self-help groups and village committees. Using a community scorecard system, the village committee has lobbied to get government functionaries and the local PDS ration shop dealer together to articulate their dissatisfaction towards the BDS system. The support has been instrumental in achieving transparency, accountability, and good governance at the local level. In Udaipur, through Eco Support, its partner has been able to organize forest-dependent communities towards increased access, ownership, and use of forest resource, common land, and government-notified forest land to grow fodder for their animals, and to harvest forest produce like fruits, leaves, and flowers. This has benefited local communities with greater access and availability of common resource as well as additional income. The village level committees have also been able to make use of the government's National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, under which every person who lives below the poverty line is guaranteed 100 days of work. While this ensures a minimum income and food security for the poor, the village committees have used this to better manage common lands and creation of infrastructure for the community. With the support of Eco in Bhuj, Gujarat, dairy and vegetable farmers have been united into producer companies. Eco has supported sustainable agriculture practices and technological innovation that increase productivity and access to markets and fair trade practices. People in the region have seen a transformation in their lives, with assured incomes and improved nutritional security. The challenge now is to include communities living on the fringe, like the nomadic camel pastoralists, the Jatmaldharis of Kutch. Eco is working with these groups to organize them into a single producer-owned dairy company. Selling their male camels was the only means of income for these camel pastoralists. They were not included in any government schemes, nor did they figure in the census. Through Eco's intervention, they now get a daily income and are also in the process of being able to avail government schemes and support, including regular health checkup and free vaccination camps for their camels. This has had a major impact on their lives, including expansion of their nutrition basket from their one-item diet of camel milk day after day. Eco's work globally contributes towards securing sustainable livelihood and ensuring justice and dignity for all. We invite you to join our efforts to improve food and nutrition security for the world's hungry.